All right, let's shift our focus now. Commerce Minister Piyush Goyal is in Europe this week on a 5-day official tour aimed at boosting trade ties. Now, Goyal's engagements span France and Italy, with key meetings with European Union officials and global trade leaders as well. High on the agenda are accelerating the EU-India, remember, free trade deal by 2025. In fact, Goyal is also meeting ministers from 6 major economies and industry giants like Renault, L'Oreal and Total Energies. Sumita Karir joins in with the details that we're picking up. Let's listen to her.
That's right. The Commerce and Industry Minister Piyush Goyal is already on his official visit to France and Italy. He commenced that visit yesterday, and it's going to go on until the 5th of this month. Remember, this essentially is being seen as giving a fillip, giving a boost to India's talks with the European Union. So far as a free trade agreement is concerned, both sides are looking at signing that FTA deal by the end of this year. So we can expect the minister to have meetings with and engagements with EU officials, including the Commissioner for Trade and Economic Security. There's also going to be an engagement with the European Commissioner for Agriculture and Food. EU FTA talks, remember, they gained momentum after the conclusion of the recent round of talks that ended on May the 16th. And as far as his engagements with the French side is concerned, well, he's expected to give a momentum and a boost to a trade partnership and economic partnership that India has with France and Italy. So he's expected to meet with the French Minister of Trade and Economy. Other than that, there are several meetings that are lined up with companies and conglomerates that are operating out of there. He's already started meeting those companies. In fact, he's expected to meet with companies like Total Energies. Then, of course, there is L'Oreal, Renault, etc. There's also a likelihood of an informal meeting and his presence at an informal gathering of WTO ministers. In terms of his bilateral meetings, well, we're given to understand that he's going to be meeting UK's Secretary of State for Business and Trade, Mr. Jonathan Reynolds. Then, of course, Singapore's Deputy Prime Minister. He's going to be meeting the Trade Minister of Singapore as well. Saudi Arabia's Minister of Commerce, Israel's Minister of Trade and Economy, and Brazil's Foreign Minister as well. So, lots of interesting updates we can expect so far as this visit of the Commerce Minister is concerned to France and Italy.